Hey everybody, first of all, you will notice that I have shaved. Well, I've trimmed my beard, lined it up, and I've also trimmed my mustache. I love how I look. I look a lot younger. I'm very happy with it. I have started my new channel. Fucking excited. So this channel will be for vlogs, and the new channel will have videos that are similar in a way to what I've already put out there when it comes to the DIY stop motion stuff. But there's going to be a little bit extra. A little bit of extra pudding in the pie, if you will. Let's make that phrase jump out and be a thing and be a trend, because it's a fucking cool phrase that I just made up. But I'm editing a video right now. It's stabilizing. I tried this thing with the stop motion. I kind of move the things around. I just don't want them to just stay stable. I kind of want them to move around and dance. And I'm like, okay, well, what if I move the camera all around a little bit? And it was really hard to watch because it was all shaky. And I'm like, this does not have the effect that I thought it would have. I thought it would be kind of cool and playfully dancey, but it just looks like it's shaking around. So I have to stabilize the footage, which is taxing the fuck out of my computer. It might burn the house down. It's getting so damn hot on my lap. But yeah, I'm excited because this will be a little extra passion for me. This channel would be, hey, this is what I'm doing, and these are the lessons I'm learning, and here's a window into what it's like being a creator, and maybe I'll experiment with some new type of content and throw that out there on this channel. And then I put my effort and energy into creating quality content that is planned, etc., on that channel. So I'll just put in the description below the link to the new channel. This, as you've probably seen, I changed the name of this channel from Passion Unchained to Passion Unchained Vlogs. And the name of the new channel is Passion Unchained DIY. So I'll put that in the description below. And without further ado, enjoy. Check it out. There's no videos there right now. I'm probably releasing this first one tomorrow, the day after this. But if you're watching this in the future, it's probably already up. So enjoy. Bye. All that jazz. Ciao.